to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bukola girl. If you're new here, you guys are highly welcome again to my channel. So today, guys, usually I'm not a kitchen kind of girly, but I love to unbox. So anyway, I have been doing loads of unboxing. I show you the carton on the floor here. So I've been doing loads of unboxing because I'm trying to get some stuff for myself, just buy stuff for the kitchen. So that's just like my own birthday gift to myself, because I wanted to buy just kitchen utensil and kitchen appliance. So I bought this pot, this cast iron casserole pot. It's so heavy. I bought 3 sets. This is one set, this is another one, and this is another one. So this has been on my wish list for like the longest, but I'm finally happy to actually got this. And God, this is I think the biggest one is the 32 centimeter deep. Yeah, this one is a 32 centimeter deep. Like a lot of people, because I read a lot of reviews, and this I got on TikTok. So this was retail for like £40. So this is a big one. You can actually use this in your oven to bake or cook, whatever you want to do. It's oven suitable and dishwasher suitable. And this is the lid. Wow, I mean, I feel like a baby in this set of pots. So I have my cast iron casserole pot now, and then this is the ones that follow, which is the wide one. This is actually shallow and wider, so I love this one as well. This will be nice for some sauce, when you're doing like a family party, especially this Christmas and New Year coming, a lot of celebration this month. So I have this one, and I'm so excited about it. I picked the teal color, like I picked teal. And this is the small one. This one is retail for £26, which I absolutely love, and I'm so excited for having this one. This will fit my regular Nigerian stew, just a small stew you want to cook with your family, like those pepper sauce, ayamase, and all of that. I love this one, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to make my mac and cheese. Just make nice stuff with this one. So also I got myself a set of, like I said, I've been doing quite a lot of unboxing. This is a set of plate I got from Casa. This one is from Casa, right? And it's a pro. It's what's it called again? Pro. I'm gonna check before I say rubbish. Porcelain dishes. Yeah, porcelain dishes. Like, I don't know if I'm correct, but anyway, whichever way. So this one comes in 4 sets. This is like the soup bowls. So it has 4 of these, and it has the flat one, which will be really nice for maybe dessert and some little maybe fish or something, like fries. This would be really nice. Comes in 4 as well. I picked 5. This is dishwasher suitable as well, and this is the flat one. Something just different from the regular that I have in my house. So this is another set of my dishes. So I'm excited about that as well. Non-stick pot that I got from my mom. I've already unboxed this one. I'll probably leave a video somewhere around here, but I don't want to unbox this one again since it's a pot. So we already checked this out. This is from L'Oreal brand. It's a non-stick pot. It's a set of 4. Yeah, so she really do like it, so it's not mine anyway. So let me know what brand. I didn't even tell you the brand of the casserole pot. Yeah, this is the brand name of the casserole pot. I don't know, my camera is, let me increase a bit. Yeah, so my casserole pot is from Nuova. Yeah, it's from Nuova. I'm gonna leave a link of where I got them. It's the Enamel cast iron casserole pot. So I have in 32 centimeter deep. I have in also I have in 22 centimeter deep, and I also have in 22 centimeter shallow. So basically these are like the gifts that I wanted to give myself for the new year, or my birthday gifts, because I don't want to buy anything for myself. I just want something, you know, kitchen stuff that I would love. And also because I'm packing a barrel for my mom going back to Nigeria. I saw it on TikTok and I decided to do some for her. So I decided to just, you know, pack the barrel. Like, there's this blue barrel that you guys can see at the end of this kitchen. So I got it on Amazon. So I said I'm going to help her fill up, you know, I saw people doing it on TikTok and I actually really love it. So I'm going to start, you know, buying stuff this week for her. So the pot is part of, you know, what I got for her. But anyway, these ones are mine. I absolutely love it. So I'll start buying her stuff and then putting it in the barrel. Now I'll bring you guys along, don't worry. Anyway, what do you think of my outfit? Looks like I'm beginning to love green lately, so I love it. And also teal green, my new pots. So let me know if you need any link to all of this, you know, stuff, and I will be leaving them in the description box as well. So don't forget to subscribe, like. I'll let you guys actually know how I feel about this pot, because this is unboxing. I haven't used them yet, but I'll let you guys know when I unbox and I use them, because I cannot wait to start using this pot. But it looks like I'm going to buy one more extra, because this particular one looks too small for what I've been needing it for. But then I'll buy a bigger one that is bigger than this. But in between that and this one and the big one, these pots are so heavy, my goodness. They are so heavy. Even the lid alone, it's so heavy. My mom couldn't even carry it. So this one, I'm going to buy something smaller. Like it's in between the first one and this one. It could be the 24 centimeter. So I'll buy that one. I'm sure I'm going to be needing that. I'll let you guys know when I start using it and how it turns out. And, you know, just the aftermath of this whole purchase. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next unboxing video. So till then, bye bye.